Ready? Look at that big freaking bastard. God damn it. Look at that.
She looks good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Those pickles now are 10 times better for some reason. It looks like a piece of shrimp.
Yeah, really.
Honey, maple honey mustard. My favorite part of the whole week. Oh my god. Happy Friday, meeting.
Happy Friday. What's that thing right there?
It's a rib.
Wow. You eat that too?
It's all tendons.
Oh, right.
Like the tendons of it.
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
It's so good. Oh my god. This is just happiness on earth.
That's
Oh my god.